What's good, y'all?
We got a whole lot of new content coming your way.
Hell yeah.
And with it,
Do it.
we've been talking about starting a podcast for so long. Catch us at our next event.
How are you?
With the freshest artists that you love.
Nerd to invent and mix and be the word culture.
From icons to up and coming.
We are going to see their talent in the flesh.
We give you a behind-the-scenes look into their lives.
I want to represent my country.
We'll keep you in the loop with the latest Filipino and Asian news.
We have 4 listeners today.
And we're just getting started. Stay tuned to Mix, the beat of our culture.
Kemper, lumagay ko. Pasok dito sa loob na ano.
It's one of the hardest
Exclusive
questions
din
in
pala
life.
siya. Maraming tao yun.
What do you want to be? Maybe you're not certain. Most people aren't. Makes you feel
Kabilaan
like
yan.
you have to be like everybody else. Do you have to limit yourself to be just one thing? Be a beginner one day, and an expert the next. Start asking questions, and never stop looking for the answers. Learn things you'll always remember, and meet people you'll never forget. Dare to be yourself, and feel like you belong. Be here, and there. Make a difference on your own, and never stand alone. Be part-time, full-time, and maybe stay for a lifetime. Be your true
Yan
self,
ang event
here
ng
and
Circle.
now. And discover who you want to be tomorrow.
Basta, kati mo na nakita. Uwi na yun.
Hindi pa naman sana ako ng
Daming tao
t-shirt.
talaga dito.
Ayan. Okay, sino naman dito ang mga may kasama
Yan ang event ng Circle.
na jowa?